yaxshisi o'zimiz, lekin tanqidiy ko'z bilan qaraydigan bo'lsak, yurmayotgani va o'z faoliyatini yaxshi olib bormayotgan shunaqa obyektlarimiz ham bor.
Theme of museum development were discussed at the Museum of Great Thinkers in Kokand, museums in the Fergana Valley, specialists responsible for the repair of historical objects, representatives of institutions responsible for training specialists in this field, and guides took part in the practical-methodical seminar on the topic Cultural Heritage Objects and Museum Work in the New Uzbekistan. The first Deputy Director of the Cultural Heritage Agency, Tursunali Koziyev, the Deputy Governor of the Fergana region, Khurshid Ahmedov, touched upon the current issues in the field and listened to the proposals of experts on eliminating problems and shortcomings and wide implementation of the reforms in the field.
Nowadays, we've got a lot of different types of higher educational establishments where there are different types of foreign faculties, and also the most important and relevant and crucial faculties and the chairs in our institutes or universities are connected with tourism. Being student at this type of establishments, unfortunately, not most of students they convey proper information about the history of our country. That's why nowadays I would like to, maybe it's a suggestion or recommendation from the site, one of the research workers from the museum, and not annually, maybe monthly. Nowadays we'll have to hold monthly lectures about proper matter of our history. Through this way, maybe in future we can enlarge the knowledge of our students and future guides who can give correct information about the history and about the sites of our country.
In recent years, the flow of foreign tourists has been increasing in our country, and in particular in the Fergana Valley. In 2022, the flow of foreign tourists in Fergana region has doubled compared to previous years and reached to 40,000 people.